Hi, good days to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Tetrix Sdn Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 4-digit countdown display timers. Where you can see, this is minute followed by second. The height of the character is 130 mm. The width of the display is 370 mm. With the height of the display is 210 mm. Let's start our presentation today. Press and hold the button. You can see the long line. This is set the time. So what time we would like to count down from? So let's set to today. I would like to put to 8 seconds for demonstration purpose. So this is minute and this is second. So set 8 seconds. And see. So once you set, press and hold again. So this is the left long bar. So you can see what time, the timing you want to blink. So let's see, I want to set to 5 second blinking. So that means when you reach 5 seconds, it will start blink. So press and hold. So see, this is a buzzer time. So once you reach 00, how long the buzzer would like to buzz. So I would like to set to 3 seconds. So once you set, press and hold again. So this already done. So this is connected to the proximity sensor. So when the object pass through, it will start countdown. So when you lift up, it will reset back to 8 seconds. Let's put back again. So once you reach the 5 seconds, it will start blinking. And once reach 0, it will buzzer for 3 seconds. This is how it looks like. So put back. If you like my channel, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.